Hi, welcome back to Keep It Simple with Grandma. I'm Anita.
And I'm Mariah.
Mariah's our granddaughter. She's also the editor of all these videos. But today we are celebrating you, our subscribers. We have now over 1,000 subscribers, and we just want to let you know how much we appreciate you. Thank you so much for your kind words, your comments, and those words are very encouraging to me, and I just appreciate you very much. I also want to give a huge thank you to Mariah. She puts a lot of time into editing these videos, and I know that she's very talented, and she's able to take these clunky videos and make something that you don't mind watching. So I appreciate her very much. And we want to thank you again, and please continue to follow and like the videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We're going to have a lot of fun on the channel. So I hope that you'll come back again. See you soon. Bye. Cheers.
You want to eat this one because I think it went in your nose?
No thanks. You can have this one.
Oh, thanks.
Come back again. Our granddaughter, Mariah. Hi.